Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Chemistry Triple R. Now in today's session I am discuss about the one of the important reducing agent, that is diol H. Now let's discuss diol H. Okay, diacetyl aluminum hydride. It is a diol H. Okay, this is the dimer form of the diol H. Dimer form of the diacetyl aluminum hydride. Okay, now the what is the application of the diol H? Okay, now let's discuss this four application of the diacetyl aluminum hydride. Now in the first reaction the one of the most important functional group is ester. Okay, on reaction with the diol H or on treatment with the diol H, the ester reduces to the corresponding aldehyde. Okay, diol H reduces ester to the corresponding aldehyde. It is an electrophilic reducing agent. Diol H is an electrophilic reducing agent. Now, what is the mechanism of this reaction? Let's discuss mechanism of this reaction. This is the monomer form of this diol H. Okay. Now, first, the lone pair present on the oxygen. It is a lone pair present on the carbonyl oxygen. It is bind coordinatively to the central metal, that is aluminium. Okay, and then it transfer hydride at electron deficient carbonyl center. Okay, it is not an electron deficient, it is an electron rich comparatively compared to the ketones. Okay, ketone or aldehyde, because it is in conjugation with the OMe. It is continuous conjugation with the OMe. So first, lone pair present on the oxygen, that is a carbonyl oxygen, bind to the aluminium. Then there is a transfer of hydride at this carbonyl center. Now then we get yes, okay, hydride and OMe. We get this tetrahedral intermediate. After workup, it gives corresponding aldehyde. Okay. Now let's discuss second example. In second example, on treatment with the diol H reduces cyanide to the corresponding aldehyde. Okay. The mechanism is similar to this first example. It reduces cyanide or nitrile to the corresponding aldehyde. Okay, now let's discuss third example. This is an example of lactone, that is cyclic ester. The diol H reduces cyclic ester or lactone to the corresponding lactone. It reduces lactone to the corresponding lactone, and this lactone are in equilibrium with the like this. Okay, or we can simply write this product also. Now let's discuss fourth example. When we treat alpha beta unsaturated ester, okay, this is an alpha beta unsaturated ester with diol H, diacetyl aluminum hydride. then it reduces to the corresponding allylic alcohol. Okay, and equivalence is 2 equivalent of the diol H's. Now the alpha beta unsaturated ester is converted correspond to the allylic alcohol, that is pH group. Then okay, it produces corresponding allylic alcohol. Is an allylic alcohol. Now these are the 4 important example of the diacetyl aluminum hydride. It also reduces the acid chloride to the corresponding aldehyde when 1 equivalent of the diol H is used, or carboxylic acid functional group to the corresponding aldehyde when 1 equivalent of diol H is used. Okay, this is all about the diacetyl aluminum hydride. Thank you for watching video.